Now at 1:30, a controversial plea deal is expected today in an Orange County murder case. The victim's family is speaking out today about the brutal beating that led to their loved one's death and the punishment for the man accused of carrying it out.
KTLA's Orange County Bureau Chief Chip Yost joining us live in Santa Ana with the latest. Chip.
Yeah, Glenn and Lou, the judge in this case said not guilty by reason of insanity is a rare outcome in criminal cases, but in this case, she said it was a legally justified one. That said, the brothers of the victim in this case, who was a longtime Caltrans worker, expressed their displeasure over the decision.
He was truly a leader to our family. He was a very gentle giant. He loved people, he loved human, he loved animals, never hurt anybody.
John Yaghoubi is talking about his 70-year-old brother, David, who in May of 2021 was outside of his Anaheim home when then 30-year-old David Abbott, who was out on bond in another assault case at the time, for some reason wandered into David Yaghoubi's neighborhood and beat him to death.
He took over my brother and for 7 long minutes, he mauled him to death.
According to court records, witnesses said Abbott was making incoherent statements about religion during the beating, at one point yelling, "Get out of him," as he beat the victim. After his arrest, the records say Abbott said the victim had a green light coming out of his eyes. This week, citing a history of mental illness dating back to when he was a teenager, a plea deal was reached in which Abbott would plead guilty to a previous assault and receive a sentence of 8 years to life in prison, but be found not guilty by reason of insanity in Yaghoubi's murder. Tuesday, the judge confirmed the insanity finding, saying it's what the law called for under the circumstances. Still, she said she understood why Yaghoubi's brothers, who were in court, were not happy with the outcome.
The only issue I like to bring up is people go and kill everybody or somebody and claim insanity. I'm not sure if that's really a good cause of going killing people and getting away with it. I'm just hoping that the system make a decision where he won't come out for a long time so that people can be secure and this guy like him are away from society.
People at the DA's office also said they believed this was the best outcome in order to ensure that Abbott is locked up as long as possible. They say with the insanity finding, he would be sent to a mental hospital. If and when he is ever found sane enough to be released from that hospital, he would then go serve out the 8 years to life prison sentence. And since there is a to life in that prison sentence, they could go and argue before the parole board if and when he's ever up for parole in that case. For now, reporting live here in Santa Ana, I'm Chip Yost, KTLA 5 News.
Chip, thank you.